JDK is installed on your system is to use the command prompt, right? Now to do this, you're going to look for the command prompt by clicking here by search bar and then typing in CMD. It will show, and then after that, you press enter. Okay, and then there's the command prompt appears. And then you type the word Java and then hit the spacebar button to leave the space. Then you type, and then you hit, and then you type dash. Then you type the word version. If the JDK is installed, you should see a message displaying the version number. Guys, here's the version number. I do have JDK installed. Here's the version number here. Okay. Then, so these are just a few methods you can use to check whether JDK is installed on your PC. If you're not sure, if you want to check which version is currently installed, you can give these methods a try.